In Go, string is a slice of bytes. Let's create a variable and give it a string value. We put a string value in double quotation markers. Give it a value hello. Let's create another variable b. We also can put a string value in backstack. Give it a value word. We can use len function to get the length of a string. So let's print out. We will call the len function and pass a variable into this function to get the length of this a variable. And let's also print out this b variable. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will print out this a variable's length is 5, and this b variable value is word. We can access a single character in a string. Let's remove this. Let's print a character in this a variable format. We will use print format double quotation marker and %sign C. This means it will print a character. And let's also add the new line. A variable. Let's print out the second character in this a variable, square brackets. And the second character in this variable index number is 1. So we put a 1 in these square brackets. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will print out E. We can use the plus operator to add two string value together. Let's create a variable b. Give it a string value word. Let's create a variable c equal to a plus b. Let's print out its c variable. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will print out this c variable's value is hello world. We also can compare two string value. Let's print out. We can use double equal sign to compare two string value. So a equal b. We also can use compare function from string to compare two string. So we will pass a variable a and a variable b into this compare function. In our terminal, let's go run. If these two strings not equal, when we use this double equal sign, it will return false. When we use this compare function, it will return -1. Let's change this b variable's value be hello. This time, let's go run again. You can see this time these two variables value is the same. So first it will print out true, and when we use this compare function, it will return 0. We can use the replace function to replace a string value. Here we create a variable, its string value hello world world. Let's create another variable b. We will call the replace function from strings. Pass the a variable as a first argument. Second argument is a value we want to replace in this a variable. So we want to replace this word. Let's pass the value word. Third argument is the new value we want to replace this word. So we will pass the value hello. And the last argument is how many words we want to replace. This time we will just pass a value 1. This replace function will return a new string value to this b variable. So let's print out this b variable. In terminal, let's go run. You can see this b variable will be hello world. If we change the last argument value to be 2, let's go run again. You can see this hello will replace both words in this a variable, so it will print out this b variable's value is hello. Here we create two variables. A variable, the first letter is uppercase, and this b variable, all the letters are the lowercase. And let's create a variable c. We will call the toLower function from strings and pass this a variable into this function to make this a variable's value become lowercase, and then it will return that string value to this c variable. Let's create a variable d equal to This time we'll call the toUpper function and pass this b variable into this toUpper function. This function will make this b variable's value to be uppercase and return that value to this d variable. And let's print out a c variable and a d variable. In terminal, let's go run. You can see c variable's value, all the letters are the lowercase, and this d variables, all the letters are the uppercase. We can use the split function to split a string by a separator. Let's remove this. Let's create a variable b equal to, we will call split function from strings split, and the first argument we will pass a variable. We want to split this a variable, and the second argument is a separator. We will pass a vector space as a separator. It will split this a variable by a vector space. This split function will return a slice. Let's print out this b variable. In terminal, let's go run. You can see in this slice, each element is the value we split this a variable by a separate vector space. This is about a string. Hope I'll see you next time.